Okay, we set ourselves up as an academy just over a year ago, and we had a launch to businesses in October. Since then, we've had quite a few businesses come through, and we're currently rolling a program for our teachers to raise the digital literacy up with them, so they can then deploy it to the students.
I was trying to tell my students, yes, I've got my degree in business studies and it's in law and everything else, but how do I actually prove to them as well that I can actually do IT? So I actually took the exams first, so I know exactly what they're going through. I must admit, I was actually not very confident when I actually tried it out, because we all think we know what we're doing, but the minute you actually have to take an exam, you start questioning yourself. But it would actually improve my skills. I was able to take it and feel quite confident, yes, I can do it, because you do need other people to tell you that you can actually be good at some things.
My parents are quite, they're chuffed with me, I think, because if you're reaching your full potential through life and you're getting all the grades you need through IT as well, then they're quite happy. And it's quite fun as well, just mind tingling, I'd find it myself. So
definitely helped me in my courses. To use a lot more of the software that's provided. It's just trying to make the most of what you have, and that's what's made the big difference.
We've used the spreadsheets and Excel and Outlook a lot. That's helped me a lot in my coursework recently. I'm hoping to be a youth worker, and we often use databases anyway, and we have to have time schedules to see when sort of different groups are coming in. So yeah, it should really help with me as well.
Before, I thought I knew quite a lot on the software and stuff, but when you start doing it, you realise that you don't really know that much. But yeah, it's been really helpful.
It's made IT look a bit different to me than it did do a couple of years ago.
Students like being able to see the progression, and the way it works, they can actually see progression, they get the marks, and they can see exactly where they need to improve as well when they get the feedback. So in that respect, it's the best thing is to actually be able to see the improvement, and students build their own confidence.
I think I've enjoyed all of it, actually. Not just one aspect, it's just the whole opportunity of learning something new has just made it more enjoyable.
Lots of businesses have been very keen to see what sort of students we can pull out of it. They recognise that they need some good qualifications, and just a GCSE or an OCR degree doesn't necessarily mean anything to them, but if the word Microsoft in it means they can actually realise what they mean.
When I've spoken to parents that they have the opportunity to do this, they're loving it. They just said, great, oh, Microsoft, I know that's exactly what it is. GCSE, please can you explain to me what they're going to be doing? But the minute you say they're going to do an Academy Award, parents know instantly what you're talking about.
The best thing that ED College is doing for the community is having the IT Academy. We are a community college. We do a lot with the local community, from special groups, other schools, our primary schools, our feeder schools, and other special schools that are around the county. But the best thing that the IT Academy has enabled us to do is to further strengthen those relationships with the community groups to raise their skill levels as well.
When you actually get them going through the exam, they come to me and say, that was actually quite good. I enjoyed doing that. And you actually feel quite, it's a pat on the back for yourself that you've actually got these students a qualification they've enjoyed doing, and actually come out with a piece of paper at the end, and they've said to me, well, I'll put that on my CV now. And it's very rewarding, that.
Doing the practice exam and then finding out you've passed, that's pretty cool, because you know it's work then, so it's been worthwhile. So
I'd recommend it. It's an absolute great opportunity to do.
Me, myself, I specialise in the Access programme, and we've been studying Access on the IT course that I'm doing at the moment, and it helps you through your whole course, because you can remember the basic skills all through the course, so it helps you in your final exam, so you know them skills, and also it will help you if you need another job later on in life, so you can reach your full potential. So if you have all the basic skills, if you go through all the exams like Word, Access and Excel, then you'll be the one sitting in the interview room with all the qualifications.